أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم فقهنا في الدين. آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So inshallah today we'll learn ayah number 11th and 12th of Surah Al-Mulk. I'm going to recite this first. After that inshallah let's look into tajweed rulings. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير. إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's look into tajweed ruling of these ayahs. First ayah. فاعترفوا بذنبهم. Okay, فاعترفوا. This fa is connected to ayn. This is hamzatul wasl. Okay, this is the hamzatul wasl of the word i'tarafu, which is not read. Fa is directly connected to ayn, and pronounce ayn clearly. It should not sound like hamza, and also you should just not remove it like fa tarafu. It is completely wrong. Fa. Okay, fa'atara. Ra with fatha is heavy. Make it heavy. Fa'atara. Ra. You should do isti'ala. Fa'atarafu. Fa is stretched for 2 count. Madhu tabi'i. And this alif is a silent alif. Will not read that. Fa'atarafu bidhanbihim. Okay, this letter zal is without buzzing sound. Okay, don't make any buzzing sound in this letter zal, or else it will convert to za. Okay, bihim. Noon sakin is followed by letter ba. This is the ruling of iqlab. Iqlab means to convert. Noon sakin converts to meme when it has ba after it. So we will not read this noon, but we will read this meme with 2 count gunna. Bihim. Okay, bihim. This ha is from aqsal halaq. Meme sakin with no gunna will just do izhar ash-shafawi here, even while doing wasl and also while doing waqf. In both the cases we will just pronounce it with izhar, okay, without any nasalization, inshallah. Bihim. This is waqf al-jaiz, permitted to stop, but if you want to continue there is no problem. بهم فسحقا. This has very sharp from middle part of your throat. It should not sound like ha. It is not fasuhqan. If you say fasuhqan, then you are converting this ha to this ha which is here. So changing a letter can change the meaning of a word, or it can just make this word meaningless. Okay, so you're not allowed to change a letter. Pronounce this from the middle part of your throat. Fasuhqal. Okay, fasuhqan. Tanween is followed by lam, so we will apply the ruling of idgham bila gunna. Idgham without gunna, because when tanween is followed by lam, the noon sakin in tanween will completely merge in lam in a way that it will just, it will become silent. The noon sakin and tanween will just become silent. We will not read that. We'll connect directly this fatha of qaf to the lam of the next word. And also it will acquire a tajdeed because idgham is taking place. This is not two lam in it. It actually, the first is tanween and the second is lam. The first is noon sakin and the second is lam, and so we will emphasize this letter lam. Okay, this is called as idgham bila gunna. Fasuhqan li ashabi. Don't recite it like fasuhqan. Qan is wrong. We are not reading noon here. Okay, we will not read tanween here. Fasuhqan لأصحاب لأصحاب. Sod is heavy. Even if it is in kasra, even if it is in sakina state, you will have to make it heavy. And also, don't make a letter before it and after it heavy. It is not os. Os is wrong. It is a. Hamza is light. As. As. See, you just have to make sod heavy by doing isti'ala. Okay, if you don't do isti'ala here, it will just sound like seen and this will be wrong. Okay. Li ashabi. Ha very sharp from middle part of a throat and also stretch for 2 count. This is alif saghira. Li ashabi sa'ir. Ba of this word is connected to seen of next word as-sa'ir. Hamzat al-wasl and lam shamsi are not read. And this ayn is from middle part of your throat. Don't recite it like Hamza. Ra will acquire a sakin. It has kasra, but during waqf, it will convert to ra sakina. That is temporary sukoon. The letter before it is huruf al-mad, and so we can apply the ruling of madul arid lis sukoon. Okay, and this ra sakin will be light, inshallah. فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير. إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير. إن الذين نون مشدد غنى for 2 count. إن. Okay, but the stretching is only 1 haraka as it has fatha. Okay, inna is now connected to lam of the word alladhina. Hamzat al-wasl is not read. Inna alladhina. Zal with no buzzing sound. It is not allazina. It will just change. The word will become meaningless if you pronounce it with za. It is zal. Okay. Inna alladhina. Stretch dal for 2 count. Yakhshawna. Yakh is heavy. Yakhshawna. Waw lean. It should sound aw, not o. It is not yakhshona. Shona is wrong. Yakhshawna. Shawna. Okay, only for 1 haraka. Yakhshawna rabbahum. Ra heavy with fatha. Emphasize the letter ba. Ha is from last part of your throat. Mim sakin will be pronounced with 2 count gunna. We'll apply the ruling of ikhfa ash-shafawi because mim sakin is followed by ba. Okay, we'll apply the ruling of ikhfa ash-shafawi where we are hiding the letter mim sakin in 2 count nasalization. Okay, rabbahum bil ghaibi. Rabbahum bil ghaibi. Okay, this ba is connected to lam of the word al-ghaibi. Hamzat al-wasl is attached to this letter ba, but this is a separate word. Bil-ghaibi. Ghain is heavy and ya sakin here is ya lean. Pronounce it like I, not a. Okay, it is not a ghai, it is a ghai. Okay, bil-ghaibi. Lahum. Ha from last part of your throat. Lahum. Here we'll apply the ruling of idgham ash-shafawi where mim sakin is followed by mim. We will merge these 2 letters with 2 count gunna, inshallah. Okay. Lahum maghfiratun. Ghain should be heavy even if it is in sakin state. It must be heavy. Okay, just do isti'ala. Maghfiratun. Maghfira. Ra is heavy. Okay, it is not maghfiratun. Completely wrong. It must be heavy as it has fatha on it. Maghfiratun. Tanween is followed by waw. So we'll apply the ruling of idgham ma'al ghunna. Maghfiratun wa. Do ghunna for 2 count. Okay. Maghfiratun wa ajrun. Jim with qalqala. It has sakin on it. Wa ajrun. Ra has dhamatan. You should make it heavy. And dhamatan, that is tanween, is followed by letter kaf. So we will do ikhfa. with 2 count غنة inshallah. وأجر كبير وأجر كبير. Okay, 2 count nasalization. Kabir, this letter ra will convert to sakin now, ra sakina due to waqf, and the letter before ra sakina will be huruf al-mad, and that is why we can apply the ruling of madul arid lisakun and stretch huruf al-mad either for 2 count or 4 count or 6 count, and this ra sakin will be light inshallah. إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير. Alhamdulillah, we have completed learning these 2 ayahs. These are very short ayahs, alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's recite. Unmute your mics. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
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 فاعترفوا بذنبهم فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير.
فسحقا لأصحاب السعير.
فسحقا لأصحاب السعير. إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة.
إن الذين يخشون ربهم
بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير. إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم أجر كبير.
فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير. فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير. إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة.
إن الذين يخشون يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة
لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
إن الذين يخشون بالغيب لهم أجر كبير.
فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير.
فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير.
إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم أجر كبير.
Alhamdulillah, we have completed reciting this for many times. So you all recited it very well. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So inshallah, let's end the meeting. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. السلام
وأنتم فجزاكم الله خيرا.